What up, squad? Yo, what is poppin'? What is good, guys? First things first, you guys know, like every video, there is a hidden message inside this video, guys. I put a secret message somewhere in the video, so watch it twice, 3 times, 4 times. Just keep watching until you find the secret message, and if you find it, you will be eligible to win an iPhone 11 Pro, guys. I'm telling you, right now, if you find the hidden message, DM it to me on my Instagram at Zayd Elie, and you will win an iPhone 11 Pro Max.
Nice.
But guys, keep in mind, you will be only eligible to win if you DM me on my Instagram at Zayd Elie. My profile's gonna be right here. So guys, what's on the agenda for today? I need to think. Today, me and the triplets are heading over to Beam Squad's house. You guys know her. She's been in my vlogs. She was in my killer clown prank. Guys, we're heading over there. I have a little thing. I have something in mind. I have a prank. Not really a prank, but I have a challenge that I'm gonna try doing with them. But first, yo, what are the triplets doing? What's going on, buddy? Let's go. Boom. All right, guys. Yo, we're with the triplets. There's actually 3.
There's 3, actually.
Let's go. Yo, Caleb, Zaylin, Malik.
Hey.
What? Wait.
I got him, but you got me.
Oh, let's go. All right. Yo, we're gonna try again tomorrow. But guys, we're here for the daily spin. Look at this, bro. The daily spin. Let's go. All right, guys. What's today's day, bro?
You are gonna streak in the street, run naked.
Run naked across the street?
Yeah.
Yo, wait. We didn't get it yesterday, so we're gonna try again today, bro.
Yeah, we're gonna try again today.
Let's go. All right. Are you guys ready for this?
Yeah.
Oh my God. Yo, I can't get red, guys. I can't get red. If it lands on red, I have to do the dare. Not today. Yo. Oh, dude. Yo. Oh! Yes, let's go! Let's go! Yo, I'm free for today again. Let's go. Yo, no dares today, but yo, right now we're heading over. Where are we going, bro? We're going over to Beam Squad, guys. We're gonna film some content with them, and then I have a little special something planned. So, yo, all right, let's go. In the car, we are now. Boom, guys. All right, I'm at Beam Squad right now. Look at this, bro. I have the handcuffs. They have the yo. Look at this. The whole family, all so cute. Psych. Let's go, dude. I have to open this up first. Yo, can you film this for me? Yeah. I'm gonna open it real quick. Yeah, you can close it. Yo, that's the key, right? Dude, we don't need this, right?
Huh? She did. I want to go too because, like, for this whole week, I can really leave. What are you doing?
What's up?
Zayd, what are you doing? Why are you always being annoying? Zayd, why are you always being annoying?
I'm not.
What do you want me to do with this? Why are you handcuffing me? I don't want to be handcuffed to you.
Together forever.
You're so annoying. He talks so much. Okay, listen.
Yo, we have another one too, so we can handcuff
Another what?
us to everyone.
No, this is not no kumbaya. No, let's go. Yeah. Ow! Figure it out. Nobody tell you to do this. You're so annoying. Ow! Hey, this hurts. Oh. Come on.
Yo.
Where's the key? Where's his book bag?
We threw the key away.
Where's his key? I need the key.
We threw the key away.
Take this off. I don't want to be handcuffed.
Wait. I think.
You have the key. Zayd, give me a key.
It's in my pocket. Yo.
Oh my God.
Yo. How do we even take it off?
I don't know, but it better work.
No. I don't know how to do that. Yo.
Oh my God. That's so bad. You're so angry.
Yo, I need to handcuff someone else, guys. I need to get someone else. I need to handcuff someone else, dude. Guys, we're gonna play right now. It's 0-0. We're gonna see who's gonna win.
Yeah.
Let's go. You got this, bro? Yo. Oh! Yo. Oh, you don't have one. It's okay. Dude, this is crazy, bro. Dude, no one's gonna win?
No, it is.
Oh! It's your boy!
Yes, I got that. I flicked the camera with them with the thing. Oh my god, it's like, yeah! It goes to outer space.
Oh. Yo, 2. You don't know where I'm shooting. Okay.
You literally did. It's like instant slow mo replay. You said it's gonna make it into there, but.
Oh, he's good.
You go. The God Defender.
Let's see if I can win with the God Defender.
Hold up. I know the strategy.
Woo!
Oh my god. Why is my strategy not working, bro?
Woo!
Oh my god. I used to do the strategy every time. I don't know how to do it. God Defender. He's gonna be so.
Dude, if you fall backwards right now, you are donezo, bro. Look at this guy. Alright guys, Super Saiyan is here. He's sitting down right here. Yo, show them. Zoom. Yo, he's right there. We're gonna get him. Wait, how do I open it?
Zayd. Yo, chill, Zayd. Alright, well, time to go play Fortnite.
No, I don't want to go play Fortnite. Yo.
Go play Fortnite.
Right now, then?
Yes, dude.
Fortnite?
Yes.
Yo.
Go play Fortnite, dude.
Yo. I can't go up the stairs. Yo. Wait, this, yo.
Come on, bro.
Do it. What? Yo, what?
You didn't make it tight enough.
No. Bro. Oh my god.
You can't get me.
Yo. Dude, I'm gonna get you, bro.
No, you're not. Yo, hold up.
Yo, Sai, I'm gonna get you when you come back. Guys. Yo, Sai, let me go home. Let me go back home. Alright, I'm not gonna get you anymore. I'm done with this, dude. I'm gonna finish my vlog right now. Guys, thank you for watching. If you're new, hit the subscribe button. Join the fam. Yo, what should they do, bro? What should they do? What should they do?
Hit that little beep.
Guys, hit the subscribe button, join the fam. I love you guys. And wait, let me go back home and then end the vlog. Alright. Alright guys, back at the crib. Yo, thank you for watching the video. I love you guys. You guys are amazing. Yo, I post every single day, so make sure you go watch yesterday's video and put your notifications on because I'm about to post a video right now, guys. Literally about to post right now. Alright, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace! Woo!